did for Doug Stone.
Out front, and of course you're going to save yourself a lot of money and make some people very happy this holiday season. It's JR's Boot Center in the Brazos Mall in Lake Jackson, where we're broadcasting live on the Gulf Coast Best Country, X97 FM.
A heart attack or heart surgery doesn't have to mean the end of an active lifestyle. The Cardiac Rehab Program at Gulf Coast Medical Center strives to assist their patients to regain control of their lives through exercise, education, and behavior modification. The proper diet and a personalized exercise program formulated by your cardiologist and close.
Got to have a place for the handicap. They needed a new fence anyway. This is Paul Gonzalez's old house. Film him?
I'm gonna film the scene. That's it.
Mobile unit. Check it out. You can zoom in there.
Ring on her finger, time on her hands. Hanging out with some folks, want to hear some John Anderson. Did not believe that I could speak Spanish. I can.
Cleaning up. I always wondered what he had inside that barn. Big tree.